Good day to everyone. I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to you all to this short presentation on our Extension Camp Outreach Program conducted by the Modern Institute of Teachers Education at Chiechama Village on the 27th of September 2025. The theme of the program was Naga Medicinal Heritage, Safeguarding Nature's Remedies. The primary objective of this activity was to create awareness on the significance of indigenous medicinal plants, traditional healthcare practices, and the conservation of biodiversity. Upon our arrival at Chiechama, we were cordially received by the Students' Union of the village. Following this, our faculty members oriented us regarding the procedures to be adopted for the campaign, after which we proceeded with the awareness activities as planned.